Hi there, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Lens. It's a way to find out style names, comps, all that information. Maybe you've got something and you're trying to find a style name or you're trying to find the brand name or any information about it. It's Google Lens. You can download it from Play Store, and on my app page that you're seeing right here, it says Lens, so I'm going to hit that. And it's actually going to come up with the camera, so it's going to be all blurry. But up here in the corner on the right, there's a little box with a couple dots. If you hit it, then it'll let you go to your gallery, and then you're going to be able to look up an item. So say I've already found this item, but you see how that does, and it literally comes up with this coat over and over, shows what the prices are. I'm going to do one more. Let's try to do this one. I haven't done this yet. Let's see if that comes up. So right there it is. So Millie of New York Women's Black. So I mean, it really is very helpful and it's free. So there you go. Hope that helps.